Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan for reading purposes. So let me take it out of the box and let's see what comes inside. Okay, it's a really nice ceiling fan that you can control it with a remote control or with the application, which I think that it's really great, making it really easy to control. Okay, we get all the things that we are going to need to do the installation, all the screws and everything that we need, even some gloves, which I think that it's nice. Okay, and the proper main unit comes in this kind of bag so it can protect it. Okay, out. As you can see, it has a really nice design with the black color and the crystal design, which I think is gonna be really nice once that you have it already lighted on. Okay, we have in here the mode control and a base so we can um, have it up on the wall, which is that it's nice. This is a remote control. You get up to 6 speeds, which I think that it's nice. And it seems like a really easy installation that shouldn't take that much long. Just need to install the base up on the ceiling, and that's it. Let me take it off. Okay, just install it. You even get this hook so it's secured. Okay, I think that it's gonna be subset simple and the cable to do the work. Okay, so let's start installing it and let's see how it works. Come on.
Okay guys, so as I've guessed, the installation process is really simple and don't take that much long, which I think that it's great. It's a really nice flash mounted ceiling fan that doesn't make that much sound, okay, which I think that it's nice. And you get different speed options, okay, depending if you want a comfortable breeze, more natural wind like, or a cool wind to be refreshed, or if it's summertime or wintertime, depending on what needed, you can reverse the motor, which I think that it's great. And as I've said, it's actually really quiet. You can be sleeping around and don't being able to listen it out, which I think that it's really great. And it has a high quality materials, making it really nice.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it's great because it was a quick installation, didn't take that much long. I can control it with the remote control, turn the lights on, change the brightness of it, which I think that it's really nice. We can dim it steplessly and also change the temperature also steplessly, which I think that it's really nice. You can see it's getting colder. I'm going to turn off brightness, or you can get it warmer if you want it like that, which I think that it's great that you get these options. You get also this night mode. It will dim down and have a consistent airflow, or the natural wind mode. As I've said, it's actually really nice. Also, you can control it with the application. As I've said, it's really nice. You get also all the different configurations that you can use, but just with your cell phone, dimming it up. Okay, you can turn everything off, turn just the fan if you want the lights, the brightness that we wanted, also change it like this. You can also set a timer for up to 8 hours, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it's really nice, really easy to install and use, I think that it's great. I think that it's a great option to place it in your bedroom or wherever you need it. Obviously, I think that it looks amazing and I would really recommend it. See you guys.